Hi guys, sitting in the car. Nanny's visiting her friends, so I'm doing wooden kits. We got 3 dinosaurs, a harp. I keep putting off doing that one. I wonder if it's got any string inside, because obviously it needs some string for doing those bits. Should we do it? So I keep putting off doing it. And we've got that frog. I'll have a go at it. I've just got a nasty feeling it will say go and find some cotton. Oh, there is some cotton in there. Okay, we'll go for it. Put that over there to catch the bits. So I would think it would be logical to put the string on first. So there we are. Woodcraft construction kit HARP L002. Height 20, length 12, width 8 centimeters by Key Imports. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.